Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to wake up and realize you made money while doing absolutely nothing? No emails, no meetings, no phone calls, just quiet buzzes of notifications that say, "You've been paid." That's not just a dream, it's passive income. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It means front-loaded work that continues to pay off long after the effort is done. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking to escape the 9 to 5, this is your chance to build something that works even when you don't. Margarita Cheng, CEO of Blue Ocean Global Wealth and one of Investopedia's 100 top financial advisors, said she's optimistic for those looking for passive income opportunities today. She said, "I think there are more prospects than ever for people to create passive income. From creating courses to writing ebooks to affiliate marketing and everything in between. And in 2025, with just a little investment in the right strategy, building a passive income stream is more achievable than ever." So grab a notebook and let's break down 5 powerful ideas that can help you earn money while you sleep. 1. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Amazon KDP allows you to publish books, journals, planners, and coloring books without a traditional publisher. It's a way to earn royalties without maintaining inventory or managing shipping. Let's say you design a fitness planner. You only have to create it once using free tools like Canva, then upload it to KDP. After that, every time someone buys it, you earn money while Amazon handles the logistics. Start by researching popular and trending low-content books. Use Amazon's bestsellers list, Ubersuggest, or BookBolt to analyze the market. Once you find your niche, design the book, sign up on kdp.amazon.com, and publish it with a good SEO title and keyword-rich description. Once your product is up, it works 24/7. The more titles you publish, the more chances you have to earn. 2. Affiliate blogging. Affiliate blogging is one of the oldest and most proven forms of passive income. You write helpful content that recommends products. When people click your affiliate links and make purchases, you earn a commission. Start by choosing a profitable niche. Create a blog using platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Wix. Then sign up for affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, Flipkart, or ShareASale. Your blog posts can include top 5 under $50 lists, product comparisons, tutorials, and more. Focus on SEO. Use tools like SEOwriting.ai or Surfer SEO to optimize content. For graphics and banners, tools like Canva and Pexels can make your post visually appealing. If you are not a great writer, that's okay. Use ChatGPT to generate first drafts. Refine them in your tone, add personal experience, and hit publish. Also, you can repurpose blog content into YouTube video scripts, turning one piece of content into multiple streams of income. 3. Faceless YouTube channels. YouTube is no longer limited to vloggers and influencers. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are dominating niches like finance, motivation, tech reviews, and trivia. These channels use voiceovers, stock footage, AI avatars, or animation to deliver engaging content, and they don't require you to be on camera. To start, use Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks for visuals. Use 11 Labs, Descript, Well Said Labs, or your own mic for voiceovers. Script your content with ChatGPT or SEOwriting.ai. Edit with CapCut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Popular channel types include educational videos like Top 5 Budgeting Tools for 2025, motivation videos like Wake up at 5 a.m. and watch your life change, entertainment videos like Funniest Moments of 2025, etc. Monetization happens through YouTube AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate links, and digital product promotion. Remember, consistency is key. Upload regularly. Focus on storytelling and solving problems. Build playlists and optimize titles and thumbnails. Convert blog content into scripts to double your passive income output with minimal extra effort. 4. Amazon Merch on Demand. Have a flair for creativity? With Amazon Merch on Demand, you can design t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and more. And Amazon handles production, inventory, shipping, and customer support. You upload your artwork or text design like "Gym today, tacos tomorrow," and choose your product type. Once live, every sale earns you a royalty. Use Canva, Adobe Express, or even AI design tools like Kittl to make your graphics. Focus on niches like pets, teachers, gamers, or events like Valentine's Day, Independence Day, football, or any other mega events. Festive and seasonal content can spike sales. For example, a witty Christmas sweater, a limited-time Halloween tee, or a summer vacation-themed design can go viral globally. Test your designs on platforms like Redbubble or Teespring too. This expands your reach and helps identify bestsellers. Once you find a hit, double down and create variations. 5. Start a digital product store. Digital products are the new online goldmine. These are files people download and use instantly. No delivery needed. Think resume templates, ebooks, budget planners, Instagram story packs, and Notion dashboards. You can create these with Canva, Figma, or Adobe Illustrator. Then sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or even your own website. Here's how to start. Choose a niche. Identify what problem your product solves. Create the file. Write a strong product description. Promote on Instagram, Pinterest, or via email marketing. For example, if you're good at budgeting, make a monthly expense tracker. If you're into social media, sell real content packs. What makes this model powerful is its scalability. You can sell to customers across the globe, 24/7. Bundle products together for higher perceived value. Each of these 5 ideas is powerful, but you don't need to chase them all at once. Pick the one that feels right. Build it step by step. Once it's stable, consider adding another stream. Passive income doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen with consistency, smart planning, and a willingness to learn. Because one day your mornings won't start with stress. They'll start with payment notifications, and that one is the freedom passive income can offer. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.